On this 90th birthday, though I'm 90 years old, I'm physically very healthy. So throughout all these years, for the good of the Tibetans and the Dharma and other people, and I've had great relationship with people around the world, and the scientists have discussions and dialogues with scientists. So it's been really fruitful for me so far in my life. So my life has been very fruitful, worth the human life, has been a worthy human life. So Tibetans in the main, and I've been to other countries, east, west, north, south, where I have found so many people who admire me. So this human life that I have now has been of quite a benefit to the people of the world. So the rest of my life I would dedicate to benefit, for the benefit of others, as much as possible, as extensive as possible. So the institution of the Dalai Lama, so there will be some kind of a framework within which we can talk about the continuation of the institution of the Dalai Lamas. Someone who was born in Tsongkha in Dome, Amdo, and then moved to central Tibet, Lhasa, and then who sat for the final exams of a Geshe degree. So, having gone through all these, I feel that I have been able to benefit the Dharma and sentient beings as much as I can, and for the rest of my life, I dedicate to benefit the beings and the teaching of the Buddha. I feel determined to do this. So that's all. Thank you.